Hello, my family and friends and subscribers to Double AZ Slots. We're here at the great High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. We're in front of Mistress and Money, or Mistress of Money, I'm sorry. We got somewhat of a different type of session this time. I had a friend from work came up to me and says, I like what you do and I enjoy watching you. The only thing is, I don't come up with a lot of money to the casinos to enjoy myself, usually around $40. So what we're going to do is going to do two machines, and we're going to do $20 a piece on them. And I say, well, you can win with $1, $5, $10. Sure, if you have the money for it, you can go ahead and do a little bit more. So what I'm trying to show them is you can come into your neighborhood gaming establishment with your family and friends, and just come together and enjoy the great atmosphere that everyone has. And that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to go ahead and bid small. So this was somewhat of a different type of session. So, hey, with $20, see what we can win. I'm just going to go ahead and throw out 20 spins at $1 a piece, and then I might end up with whatever we come up with. So I'll probably do $10 and then do double, $2 on the remaining 20. So we're gonna try to do 15 spins on this. So let's go ahead and hit it big and enjoy it. Enjoy the atmosphere. Okay there, Mistress Money. Let's hit it big for Double AZ Slots. Oh, there you go. Got $5 already on the first hit. Go 10, so let's go hit $10 at 2. Do 5 hits on this one. And last hit. All right, well, Mistress Money, you gave us one good hit of 5, so let's go ahead and go to another machine. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and walk over. Let me get situated here. Okay, what we got, went ahead and did, we go ahead $20 in the machine, and we'll go ahead and do what we did on the last one. We'll go ahead and hit the first 10 with 1, and then the other 2, the other last 5 with a double. And let's see what we can do. Okay, Mama's Millions. Just like last time, be nice to Double AZ Slots, and let's hit it big. Oh, look at those sevens. That would have been $100 right there, just one. Well, let's hit the last 10 with 2. Haven't got a hit yet with Mama's Millions. Maybe she's making a pie or something and not even paying attention. Well, we got 4 out of her. Could have brought that sucker down, and Mama would have been 9 times the winning combination. Get the last 2. And last one. Well, Mama, you did 14 for us, and see it, regardless of what amount you bring it in, whether it be $1, $2, 50 cents, 25 cents. You know, it all depends on the machine at the specific time, second, that the computer generated number will give that machine will make you a winner, regardless of what you put in there. So hopefully that answers my friends this little $20, $40 challenge. And hopefully I answered everybody's questions on that, or at least for him anyway, that you could come to your neighborhood casino, enjoy the atmosphere with your family and friends. And if anybody else has anything they would like to see on our channel, just put down in the comments section, and I'll be glad trying to look for that channel or that machine. And with that, we'll go ahead and try to put it on the next videos that we have the forthcoming week. So for me, take care, be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care now.